Hello, why do we use loops and conditional logic in Worksoft Certify and how do they help automate repetitive tasks and make a decision based on application behavior? Often, we may need to repeat set of steps like checking a value in a table or processing a list until specific condition is met. At the same time, we may need to decide what action to take based on certain conditions, such as executing one step if a condition is true, another if it is false. That's exactly what loops and conditional logic are designed for. In Certify, they are essential for automating tasks like approvals, data validation, and bulk processing. It's important to make sure proper exit criteria is added to avoid infinite loops. Now, let's focus on explicit loops, where you control exactly how and when step repeat. We can incorporate loop using two methods, the record set method and the counter method using jump and label actions. In this video, we will be looking at record set method. Imagine you need to enter three line items of information into a table with three columns. You need to enter the data in 9 cells. It takes over 9 steps each, but with Certify's record set method, we can cut that down to just few steps. Here is how. Take this simple order form example. Instead of discretely entering the line item table data using 9 steps, we'll store all the item data in record set and enter it with iteration. For this, I have created a process and child process which has all the necessary input steps for an item entry table and a record set that holds the item data. Certify executes the child process once for each row in the record set. In this case, we have 3 rows, so it loops for 3 times automatically. We will now execute the process to understand how this method works. Boom! All the 3 items entered, and this can be scaled to 50, 100, or more items without adding any extra step. Pretty cool, right? To watch another method, please refer to our other video explicit loop using counter method. So, when should we use each method? Record set method is perfect for repeating the same steps with a different data like item entries. Counter method is great for row by row decisions like filtering a table based on a specific criteria or waiting for a job to complete or a condition to be met. Thank you. We hope you have found this short video to be helpful and informative. Please visit us online in YouTube and LinkedIn.